and subscribe right now, my friends.
Alrighty, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, from Las Cruces, New Mexico. Once again, today I'm checking out a laser wash system out over by, I believe it's Picacho. Sorry, hang on. Picacho on the US 72, or excuse me, US 70. And it's an interesting system because, you know, laser washes, they're always a unique system, regardless of year and date. So, you know, it's just, we're gonna check it out tonight and see how this goes. I don't even know if it, I mean, I asked the people, there's a fire over there. I don't know if you can see the clouds. I asked the guy at it's like a nearby like auto repair center, and it's like a joined building. So I asked the guy if it works, and he said, oh yeah, it works totally fine. So taking his word for it, and crossing the streets, and hopefully he is correct about that. In the meantime, though, we're just gonna do a time lapse here like I did last time, so enjoy that with some nice it's just so weird, like, where this system is. The thing about it, though, is it just, like, doesn't look like it's working. Although, so, it looks like it works. That answers the question. Alright, I have to admit, that kind of jump scared me a little bit. And actually, I'm gonna do it from outside here, so. Yeah, I'll still have my iPad recording inside, And oh my gosh, that thing is loud. Do you hear the squeakiness of it? So yeah, I'm gonna do an outside view this time. Also, you can see my new lights down there and my Buffalo Bills thing down there too. So it's a Laserwash 360 Plus. That thing is so loud. I mean, hey, at least it works. But yeah, PDQ Laserwash 360 Plus. And actually, I saw one in Phoenix, which was a G5 series, so that was really cool too. How does that thing have power to it? Oh, there we go. Never mind. No triphone. I mean, it's definitely doing a really good job. Woo! Yeah, it's that over there that's making that noise. Okay, that's cool. That's really cool. So this is our surface protectant, right over there as you can see. Oh, it's okay. So it's doing the spot free and an air drying at the same time. That's a little weird. I do warn that if you decide to record a car wash from the outside, make sure you have non-slip shoes. There's like a frick huge rock right there. Hold on a second.